Hi everyone! Welcome back to Fluent English Daily, where you learn simple and practical English for daily life. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to talk to a taxi driver, from getting in the taxi to paying the fare. Let's begin. When you see a taxi, say,
Excuse me, is this taxi available?
if the driver says yes, you can say,
Can you take me to the airport? I'm going to Central Park.
you can also ask,
How much will it cost to go to the airport?
now you're in the taxi. You may want to give directions.
Please turn left at the next street. Go straight, then turn right.
Need help with directions? Ask, do you know this address? How long will it take to get there? If the driver is too fast or slow.
Could you slow down, please? Can you drive a little faster? Want to change the plan? Say, actually, can we stop at the bank first? The driver might say, we're here, or this is your stop. You can ask, how much is the fare? The driver may reply, it's $15. Then you say, here you go. Can I get a receipt, please? Before leaving, thank you. Have a nice day. Driver might say, take care. You? Thanks, you too. Let's quickly review.
Before the ride, is this taxi available? Can you take me to the airport? How much will it cost? During the ride, turn left at the next street. Go straight. Can we stop at the bank? At the end. How much is the fare? Here you go. Can I get a receipt? Practice these at home or say them out loud with me. Vocabulary review. Available taxi. Destination, cost, turn, go straight, address, actually, slow down, stop, fare, here you go, receipt, take care. Great job! Now you know how to speak English in a taxi like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment your favorite phrase, and subscribe for more real-life English every week. See you next time on Fluent English Daily. Bye!